Good afternoon. My name is Elrael Escurel Jr. And for today's video, uh, we will be using the built-in 3D model and 3D software of PowerPoint presentation. Kasi from the past, di ba, ginagamit natin ang PowerPoint for, of course, our presentation at commonly ginagamit natin ay mga 2D images. Meaning to say, pag sinabi nating 2D, these are flat images. Kumbaga, um, wala siyang gilid or wala siyang likod. Only yung harap lamang yung nakikita. And that has been working for even in the past. No? Nagagamit yan even in the past. But today, I will be teaching you how to use the built-in 3D program sa PowerPoint presentation itself. So let's write or type down the topic that we are going to be discussing. It's all about 3D object, 3D object in PowerPoint presentation. 3D object in PowerPoint. So first thing first, uh, once you have opened the PowerPoint, di ba, the presentation, ito yung lalabas. Same as usual. And now, for example, if you're going to use this 3D software or these 3D models, you're just going to go to Insert. And after you have proceeded to Insert, we will proceed to this little tiny bit of um, area here. Sa baba lang ng animation, makikita mo yung 3D models na yan. And then you're just going to click it. You can actually click it, or you can use this drop down tick here. You can tick this drop down button, and then merong lalabas na dalawa. This device and stock 3D models. Now let me explain first what are the difference between these two. Pag sinabi guys natin na this device, meaning to say meron kang din-download na 3D model at you're just going to import it in PowerPoint presentation. Later on, I'm going to teach you where you're going to find free 3D models, where you're going, or how can you download those 3D models, at what are you going to do in order to import those 3D models. Pero mamaya pa yon. So, kalimutan na muna natin yan. Proceed tayo dito sa stock 3D models. Itong stock 3D models naman, ito po yung mga 3D models na built-in na sa PowerPoint. Meaning to say, provided to us by Microsoft itself. So meaning, pwede nating i-download, pwede natin dyan na mismo, dito na mismo sa PowerPoint, lalabas yung mga stock na available na 3D models, and then we can download those 3D models to be imported here sa aton presentation. So let me show you first stock 3D model. So I just click that, and then let's just wait for a while for the 3D models to load. Syempre, nakadepende yan sa speed ng internet mo. So, once done, ito na po yung lalabas. It is actually a very good there are a very good selection of 3D models here. Nakadepende po yan sa gusto nyo because it's already categorized. For example, animated models, animated animals. Kapag gusto mo maglagay yan ng mga isda, you can animate for education. Let's see. Let's look inside animate for education. Dito sa loob ng animate for education, naka lagay yung iba't ibang klase ng 3D models. Again, hindi siya ganun ka-complex at karami, but still, it's better than none, di ba? So, animated for education, for example, ito, muscle. So, let's click it here. You click it, tapos, sorry, I double click it. That's why it's already inserting, no? I-double click mo lang or i-click mo yung 3D model na gusto mo i-import, and then you put insert. At tingnan nyo, may animation na yan. Okay? Look, it's actually animating. Now, the thing is, kagaya ng picture, meron siya ditong mga adjustable nodes. Meaning to say, you can resize the image as big or as small as you want it to be. Now, the difference is that meron ditong manipulation node sa gitna. Anong function ng button na to? Ano ang function ng button na to? You can actually click it, and then you can rotate the object on different axes. No, on different axes rather, from the Z axis, the Y axis, etc. Kung anong angle ang gusto mo, nakadepende yan sa gusto mong angle. So now, Halimbawa, ito yung napili kong angle, no? From top to bottom angle. Medyo itagilid natin ng konti. Okay, now if you're done, let's say ganun yung position na gusto mo, you can actually now move the object and position it where you want that object to go. Ayan, oh. So nilagay ko siya dyan and it will start animating itself. Napakasimple po, di ba? So, yung pinagkaiba ng 3D sa 2D is that 3D objects are naro-rotate natin yun. Yun ang pinagkaiba ng 2D sa 3D. At alam naman natin yun, di ba? And what is the significance of this? Our presentation becomes more interesting sa mga mata ng mga bata, especially ngayon nasa generation beta na tayo, tsaka Gen Alpha, mga ganong klaseng students. We're dealing with those kinds of students. So, the more interesting our presentation is, our lesson is, they become more attentive to our lesson kasi marami silang nakikitang kakaiba sa ating lesson. So, that's good. Ngayon, if you want to delete the object that you have selected, or kung ayaw mo nang ganyan, gusto mo palitan, all you have to do is just click on it and then click delete and it's gone. And then you can go ahead and click insert again, 3D models. Pag clinic mo po yung 3D models, hindi yung drop-down menu, automatic pupunta ka doon sa stock library ng Microsoft PowerPoint 3D models. Halimbawa, let's say, ayaw mong i-browse isa-isa to. And then you just want to, let's say, book. Gusto mong maglagay ng book. So all you have to do is type here sa search button sa taas at lalabas kung meron stock ng book. And lo and behold, merong lumabas. At saka meron din iba-ibang klase. No? Merong scroll, merong bag, merong book, MacBook. I don't know why kasama itong laptop na to. But here, we have different types of books. May books na nasa shelves, may books na nakabukas, may book na nakabukas, and then meron din books na hawak-hawak nitong character na to. And see, lumabas siya. So all I have to do is click to highlight and then click insert, or you can just double click the image in order for it to be imported inside your presentation. At tingnan nyo, from flat, there is actually a dito sa taas lang po ng panel na to, merong selections of predetermined position. Kung anong klaseng position yung gusto mo sa 3D model mo. Gusto mong nakaharap, gusto mong nakatalikod, all you have to do is just click it para hindi ka na mag-rotate. But again, it's just an option but it's good. Pero hindi naman ganun kagandahan. Again, kaya nga tayo gumagamit ng 3D model to make it more interesting, di ba? Ilagay natin siya sa angle na magiging interesting sa ating mga bata. So this is not an animated 3D model kagaya nung ARM kanina. Kasi the stock images or the stock 3D models sa PowerPoint presentation is divided into two categories. Merong animated at saka merong hindi naman animated. Pero lahat po sila ay on 3D object. Okay? So yun po ang tungkol sa stock, yung stock 3D models ng PowerPoint. Ngayon, ituturo ko naman sa inyo kung ano naman yung this device. Okay, yung sa this device po is you're going to import outside of the PowerPoint, yung 3D models na meron ka is outside, hindi yun provided ng Microsoft, but you downloaded it yourself from the web. So let me show you a website where you can download free 3D models, no? So let me show you Sketchfab. Okay? Let me show you Sketchfab. Ito po yung Sketchfab. This is a website where a lot of creators upload 3D models. You can buy 3D models here and you can also download the free models here. So, for example, meron kang sinearch sa PowerPoint stock image and then wala doon sa category na sa papilian nila, wala yung 3D model na hinahanap mo or gusto mo, you can go actually to Sketchfab. And then, let's see, for example, I want eyeglasses. Okay, I have already downloaded this this 3D model in order to save time. So, for example, eyeglasses, and then lalabas na po yan. So, For this example, kapag ganito po ang yung nakalagay, ibig sabihin you can download it for free. Okay po? Mada-download mo po yung model for free kapag ganito yung nakalagay sa taas ng 3D model na gusto mo. Take a look at this one. This one actually is a paid version, a paid 3D model. Tingnan nyo, indicating a dollar sign. Ano? So, pag may dollar sign po, meaning to say, hindi mo yan pwede i-download, kailangan mo yung bilhin. But, a good thing is, napakaraming free. Tingnan nyo, ito ay free, ito ay free, ito ay free. And then you can just click it. You can just click one, wait for it to load. Tapos, once po na mag-load na yung 3D image natin, ayan na po yung preview niya. We can actually manipulate that by clicking and just rotating the mouse pointer. We can just actually go down and we can see that there is a download button here. Download 3D model. You just click on that. Click po natin. At ngayon, lalabas na po yung ating download tab. Tapos, dadrag mo lang dito sa baba. And these are the different types of formats sa 3D. Especially kapag familiar po kayo sa Blender, familiar kayo sa mga tawag dito, tong mga 3D files or formats na to. So we have FBX, we have OBJ, we have USDZ. So maraming different formats. So pili lang po kayo ng isa. I preferred itong FBX saka yung OBJ. Those are the common 3D format, no? But anyway, lahat naman yun ay okay. At pasok po yun sa PowerPoint presentation. So all you have to do is just click on download and wait for it. See, it will download. So ngayon, meron na po akong na-download to show you. Ito po yun, yung eyeglass. Kasi zip file po yung maida-download nyo. Pagkatapos mag-download, it is on a zip file format. So all you have to do is just right-click and then extract it using WinRAR or kung 7-zip or kung anumang klaseng extractor ang meron kayo. At that lalabas po yung content ng zip. Meron po tayong source and texture. So dito po sa source, makikita nyo yung eyeglass.jlb. Bakit po .jlb? Ito po kasi yung format ng file na dinownload ko. Kung FBX yan, .fbx yung lalabas dyan. Kung OBJ yan, .obj yung lalabas dyan. Basta yung mahalaga po is yung sa source, yung content ng source. So babalik po tayo sa PowerPoint presentation. Pupunta tayo sa insert. Dito sa 3D model, hindi natin to i-click kasi pag click po natin to, automatically we will go to the stock 3D models. So all we have to do is click on the drop down and then click this device. Pag-click mo natin sa this device, hanapin po natin kung saan nakalagay yung ating folder. Kanina sa akin, ito po, 'di ba may zip file dito tapos in-extract ko yung file, ito yung lumabas. So all you have to do is to locate the source. Ito po yung .jlb file, ito po yung aking 3D model. All you have to do is click it and then click insert and wait for it to upload on the PowerPoint, and look at that, a 3D model. See? It's interesting kasi I downloaded this 3D model outside. You can also rotate that because it's a 3D object. I downloaded it outside of PowerPoint but can be used inside the PowerPoint. So meaning to say, kahit anong klaseng format po ng 3D model na na-download natin, ay pwede nating i-import at gamitin dito sa ating presentation. Yun ang kagandahan kasi doon sa Sketchfab, napakaraming model. Millions of models are available for free of use. Pwede mo pong gamitin sa iyong presentation. So, I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any more questions, you can contact me or you can comment down below. And then this is my presentation on how to use 3D models and how to import 3D models using PowerPoint. Thank you so much and good day to everyone.